Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into Wells Fargo, which is basically an online banking. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened any of the browsers, and now you need to search for the Wells Fargo login in Google. So once you do that, you will be able to see there is a link at top on in the screen where you need to click on that option, and you will be redirected to the official page of the Wells Fargo on in the screen, where you can see there is a sign on option at the top. So just tap on that sign on button and you will be redirected to the official login page of the Wells Fargo, where you can see it is asking us for our username and our password. So once you complete your credentials, simply tap on the sign on, and yeah, you'll be able to log in successfully. But before that, you can see there is a save username option. So if you are using your own device, if you are logging into your own device, then simply check mark this one, and yeah, you will be able to save your username successfully in this browser. And by chance, if you have forgotten your username or password, then simply tap on the forgot username or password on in the screen just down below of the sign on button, and yeah, you will be redirected to the another page where it will ask you to complete more formalities. And yeah, once you verify yourself, you will be able to log in successfully. So basically this is how you can log into Wells Fargo. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.